Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about factorials. Now, factorials are represented by an exclamation point here. They are a function, which means that we can write a definition down for them. And it is as follows. We take our number n and we multiply that by n minus 1, or the value of n, subtract 1 from it, and then I multiply that by 2 less than my number, or n minus 2, and I keep doing that all the way until we get down to 1. And then we stop. There's the generic or abstract definition of a factorial. Now, factorials are used a lot in probability, and that's probably where you'll see most of these when you encounter permutations and combinations. But for now, we're just sticking with the very basic form of it. So let's go ahead and jump into two examples to see how this works. So here are two examples. Our first one, we have 4 factorial. So by definition, that means I'm going to write out 4 times, now I need to take away 1 from that original number of 4, which would be 3, and then I take away 2, and then I go all the way until I get down to 1. So we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and now we just compute that. Well, 4 times 3 gives me 12. 12 times 2 gives me 24. And then 24 times 1 is just 24. So 4 factorial is 24. Now let's do the same thing with 10 factorial. Now, the bigger the number, the longer the process will be. So we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Then we're going to go all the way down to 1. And now we need to compute this. Now this is where I would suggest using a calculator, because you can do this by hand, but multiplication will result in fairly large numbers. And this one gives us 3,628,800. So you can see just the small difference between 4 factorial to 10 factorial. And look at the large difference in the answers. Now we can do some operations between factorials, and I have one example, so let's go ahead and jump into that. Here I want to find 3 factorial plus 5 factorial. Now to add factorials, just find each separate one and what that value is. So 3 factorial is the same thing as 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. And 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that will give you 120. So we actually just have 6 plus 120. Well, that gives us 126. So 3 factorial plus 5 factorial is 126. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.